Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the sound and vibration option. Now let's scroll down in order to find this ringtone section, and as you can see, you can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, and also for the notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. Let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and as you can see, we've been immediately actually transferred to the full list of all system defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got option select from files, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So for example, if you've got any music downloaded, it will appear right here and you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back to the system ringtones, and if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, of course before setting it, just tap on it and let me unmute the device. So actually, this is how to check the ringtone. All you have to do is to simply tap on it. If you decide that, for example, you like this particular ringtone and you'd like to use it, just make sure that it is marked like in my case this longing option, and simply go back. And as you can see right now, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Of course, it will work the same with the notification sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.